30 years. That's how long an Accomack County woman has been waiting for justice since she says that her stepfather sexually assaulted her.
Today, the victim was just moments away from getting a trial, and then the case against 68-year-old Khalil Muslimani was continued.
At 10 on your side's Liz Palka has the emotional story. She's live in Accomack County this evening. Liz?
Anita and Stephanie, the jury selection was about to begin. They were going over motions and witnesses, and then the trial was about to get started. Then things started getting out of hand, and the victim left the courtroom in tears. Accomack County Circuit Court. Stacy Johnson-Spione has been here one too many times since her stepfather was indicted on sex crimes against her.
It just goes to show, with all the motion hearings that we've had in the past 2 months alone, there's been one every 2 weeks, he's not aware of things outside of his four walls, if you will, but he's also not focused on what the charges are or the time frame.
Khalil Muslimani is representing himself in this case. His former court-appointed attorney is serving as standby counsel. He's facing 1 count of rape and 1 count of indecent liberties with a child from back in 1986. Johnson-Spione, who chose to identify herself to 10 on your side, would have been 12 years old then.
It drags it out. It's like having salt constantly poured in a wound that right now isn't getting a chance to heal.
Johnson-Spione has made several allegations related to Muslimani, including that the sexual relations with her stepfather went on for years without her consent. She says she had 4 kids by him, and at one point, when she was 15 years old, he legally married her.
I just want to be free of it, and I want justice.
The judge finally said the case was all over the place, setting new ground rules for motions and witnesses. This was after Muslimani tried to subpoena several attorneys, politicians, and 2 people who had died. Are you still going to defend yourself when it comes back to the trial in July?
I'm going to defend because I know my case backward and forward, and I can speak for myself.
The judge said.
Oh, we lost Liz there, but the judge told everyone involved that it's going to start on July 5th, the trial there after the way today went, though. He told everyone involved to set aside 4 days for that trial. So we'll continue to follow up on that story.